Okay boys, today we are making a video. We are going to our mechanic today. We are in this brand new old school JDM car, which is Lexus GS300. The engine is 2JZGE, not 2JZGTE. So we have uh, we have somewhere to go. The AC is working, but it's not working the way it's supposed to work. I swapped the engine maybe 3 or 4 months ago. My mechanic is somewhere in. This guy is good, but not like super good, but still good. So I go to him all the time. Here you go. What we are going to do is we are gonna throw this into waste, and let's see what happens. Okay, we are ready to go. Anyway, so I went to see my friend, another friend, the one who took me to the driving school back in 2023. He said, no, just go with me and just register your file. You have to register and everything here. Register your file for the driving license. I said, okay, I'll do it. Then I registered. Wait a minute, I need to cross this guy. When I registered, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go maybe a day or two, or I'll forget about it. I went 2 weeks in 2023 when I had it very brand new. There is theory test. I passed it like in 5 minutes, done, finished. Then I went for parking classes. There is an internal driving test also, whatever that thing is. The school teacher will get the test, do the test and everything. I passed that already. Then I went for parking. When I was getting the parking classes, I stopped going to school in 2023. It was almost 2024, like January or so. No, sorry, 2023, early 2023 I stopped going, and 2025 around October I started again. I was like, I put like 2.5 weeks into it. Then I started doing it again in 2025, late 2025, around September or so. I went there more 2 weeks, and then I passed all the tests and everything. The final test was one time they failed me because this guy was the teacher are from RTA, so the guy was, I don't know, he said we did something. So I was like, okay, my bad, so I'll go back. So I went back again after a week. Like, the good part is I found another class which was right next week. It's very hard to find another final test very quick once you fail, but I found it like that. You have to pay 800 dirhams. When I found it, I was like, okay, this is it. I'm going this time, I'll get the license. I go there, no sweat, nothing. I was like, okay, whatever happens, I'll drive the way I drive. I'll do the things the teacher told me to do, like follow the rules and all that. I'll do that, and then we're good to go. I said, I spent like maximum 4 or 5 minutes driving, and then he was like, okay, actually all 4 of us, he passed all 4 of us. All 4 when you go one by one, all 4 of us passed. Anyways, I got the license, I got the car. Now, before I didn't know all these things, and I was like, okay, this is just not it. Like, I don't like driving in this, on these streets, like roads, because these are very big roads. The average speed here is 60 to 80, between 60 to 80, and then you have to keep going on and on. Once you go to highway, it's like 120, and there are some highways of 140, then there are some highways of 140 plus also, I think. So I was like, no, I don't like that much speed, so I'm not gonna go buy a car. Even though I have a license, I'll just borrow sometime. Once I drove one car for like 3 days, straight 3 days. It was a Honda Civic. I don't know which type was it, but it's Honda Civic 2020 model. And I was like, okay, I might need a car. Not a very good car, I need an old car, because I want to drive around small roads, like these small roads. These small roads are very slow, like the speed limit is 80 max. So you enjoy the ride. If it's like smooth, you enjoy it. So then I bought the car. This thing still needs to do a lot of, if you drive it like twice a week and you have a main car which is like family car, if you have one family car and you have this car, you can get away with, most of your time here in Dubai, because these cars are kind of expensive still, because you have to maintain everything. Okay, another thing I forgot to mention. So once I got into cars, I was into engines and stuff, right? Modification and all that. Then these few guys, they are showing up with like very nice, what do you call, rims and tires, very nice rims. And I was like, okay, this keeps on getting good. Like, what's the deal behind the rims? So I found many good rims. Second hand also, there is a very big Facebook market here, and you can buy stuff there. And then there is also new, I don't know what kind of new they talk about, new, but it's cheap rims here. So I got some, I don't know, what do you call that. Then I found some rims on Facebook. I went there, there's brand new rims. The guy is like, okay, I'll give you the rims only for how much, 2,500 or something. I was like, okay, that sounds okay. It's 2,500 is nothing. Actually, if you see the prices here for the rims, it's like 10,000, 5,000 plus, actually the very good ones. He's like, I'll give you 2,500. Then we kept on looking, and then my friend said, no, let's go check some Facebook market. Maybe we will find something good, better. We go check on Facebook market, second hand rims. I forgot the names, BBS, VSS, I don't know what else was there. Rays, TE37s is like everybody has it. So I was like, no, TE37 is just not my thing. So Lexus has their OM rims, which people prefer very much because of the looks, and also most of those rims are chrome. So everybody is telling me, okay, buy the chrome ones from the LS430 or another new version. You'll be okay with that. I'm like, I don't like those rims. I like the rims which has, which are unique, or whatever you call, like not much seen around. So I kept on looking. I think I found one. The rims I have right now, these rims are, it's like very different. You will not see on Lexus this kind of rims. Most of the people, because I post on TikTok, most of the people are like, okay, it doesn't look that good, I said, I don't care. It looks good to me. That's what it is. I don't care if it looks good to you or not. I still have these rims. The old one was from 2007 Lexus GS300. The guy had that. The guy bought it for like maybe 2,000 from a shop. So I bought these rims. I went from the Facebook market. I called the guy. He's like, okay, come. It's a shop. They have posts on Facebook and everywhere. He's like, I'll give you for 2,500. I said, no. I need tires and rims and everything, but I want discount. He's like, okay, just come. I'll give you a discount. But somebody else is also coming for it. So if you are here before, I'll give it to you. I said, okay. I was nearby. I went there because it's lowered already, right? Show me the tires, and if I like it, I'll give you the money. The guy goes, okay, he put the rims on and everything, and I'm like, okay, this is kind of unique. Then we had the deal, and I ended up paying him 2,100. That's all I have, because that's how you do it. Tires are from 2025, low profile tires, and then there is these rims. These rims are actually, they paint it, but these rims are not like damaged or anything, just the paint. So I got the rims. Now when I switched these rims, after that the whole car's looks totally changed. Now this is something. I got the sub from my friend, which is very convenient. It's for free. And then I bought the, what do you call, amplifier. I bought the amplifier for around 850 something. It's Pioneer mono amplifier. Subwoofer is Rockford Fosgate P3. One thing that is not very common here anymore in Dubai is the box for your subwoofer. The new subwoofer comes in like boxes already installed in the box and everything. Early 2090s, they have these boxes for subwoofers. There is static ones and there is, I don't know, there are two types. One with the airflow, one the whole box, no airflow. I have the one without airflow. This one, he made it for me specially because you can find nowhere. Sharjah, there was one shop. He said, okay, come back. And it was late and whatever. And I was like, okay, it's impossible to go back. So I found another shop, another guy who can make it for me. And I gave him almost 200 dirham. The only problem left is this AC. I think the compressor has some issue. I need to get the AC fixed. It's cold, but it's not like super cold. The way the car is right now is very low. Then your seat is low, almost from the ground. So it feels very nice when you're riding. Around 60, there is some jitters because I think there is some alignment or some other things which needs to be fixed.